y'all? Welcome back to the Glam Lobby. If you're new, welcome to the Glam Lobby. As you read by the title, I'll be doing an unboxing review for the Comme Garçons. I was so excited to be purchasing this item because it is kind of like my first designer shoe. So I ordered these shoes from StockX. If you don't know about StockX, they're basically like a company which you order shoes from, and they authenticate your shoes. So they make sure your shoes are real, make sure you're buying new and unworn shoes just like it says on the site. You can buy, sell, or either bid on this site, which I bidded on the site. So I'm just going to detail of what happened or whatever. It was a smooth process, so I'm just going into detail about that. But with StockX, you basically they sell all types of shoes, even the old Jordans, Yeezys, Comme Garçons, like everything. Like they sell almost every shoe. So basically what you do is you buying it from the seller, but the seller will ship it to the StockX company, and StockX will authenticate the shoe for you, make sure it's real, make sure it's just new, unworn, just completely new, and you're the first person to wear the shoe. It seems like a long process, but it's worth the money that you're going to pay for the shoe. And you know, it's just worth it. You don't have to worry about, I hope my shoes are real when they get here. I hope, you know. So instead of just buying it straight from the seller has to send it to StockX, and then StockX will authenticate it, and then they'll send it to you. So it's a smooth ride. Seems like a long process, but it's worth it. So we're just gonna get right into this video. For my shipping, my shipping process, so I mentioned earlier that I bidded on my shoes. The original price, the price given for the shoe was about $200, and I bidded on the shoe for $150, and the total amount came up to $163, you know, plus tax and shipping and stuff. So yeah, so when I bidded on the shoe, it didn't take long to accept at all. Like, it probably took like a minute. Like, I thought it was going to take about 3 days for them to accept my bid, but it took probably like less than a minute. Like, they sent me a confirmation like, oh, your bid has been accepted, and we're waiting on the seller to ship the shoe to StockX. So let me see. So I purchased my shoe, I believe this on the Saturday of March 9th. Then they sent me an order confirmation. So after they accepted my bid, they sent me an order confirmation, you know, just telling me, oh, we're waiting on the seller to ship the shoe out and blah blah blah. So then the seller shipped the shoe to StockX on the 11th. So they sent me a confirmation on March the 10th. The seller shipped the shoe March the 11th, so the next day. Then after that, StockX emailed me again and said that the order has been verified and shipped to me on March the 13th, and then it delivered to me March the 15th. So it took about, I want to say, a week. It took about no more than a week. I thought it was going to take longer because, you know, the whole process of the seller having to ship the shoe to StockX, and then StockX has to verify it, and then StockX has to ship it to me. So I thought it was going to take about 1.5 weeks or 2.5 weeks, or just 2 weeks alone, but it took about a week. So that was good shipping for StockX as well. So yeah, so my shoes came in this box. Of course I opened my package because I had to see, honey. So yeah, it shipped in this little box or whatever, nothing major. And here are my shoes. And what I like about like the shoe box is because like I like shoe boxes, and the reason being is because like it has like that significance, like such as like the Yeezys, like their box, like that's a nice good box. Like I just like the design of the box. Like you slide your shoe out, such as like if you have like Rihanna Pumas, like I like her box like that. The box just brings out the detailing of the shoe. Excuse me. So yeah. So and also about these shoes are not like your regular Comme des Garçons, like the black ones with the heart, with the red heart on it. These shoes, I really like them because they're different, and not too many people, I have not seen too many people with these shoes. So I'm really excited for that because I do not like getting the same thing everybody else got. So yeah. So when I open the box, it comes with a StockX sticker. Comes with your StockX sticker, and then it comes with your invoice. Let me cover my So it comes with your invoice. So yeah, I paid. The purchase price was $150. The shipping was $13.95, and then the authentication fee was free. So everything came up to $163.95. I got a 7 in US men's size, and then it came with this little I don't know what it is. It just says snap a picture, show us your verification, tag, upload to Instagram, hashtag StockX, get featured, brag to your friends. So it just came with this little card, I guess. And on the back, yeah, it just, I don't know. I guess it's like a little thank you card, I guess. So yeah. So that's what came in the box with it. And let's get to the good part of this video. So as you can see, I have the CDGs in the color Khaki multi-heart. Let me see, is that the name of it? Yeah, it's the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 70s High Comme des Garçons Play multi-heart Khaki. So, and that's what I find so significant about this shoe, is because a whole bunch of people do not have this shoe. And as you can see, it does have the StockX verification on it right here. So basically just saying it's verified. It's a real shoe, nothing major. It's the real shoe. So yeah, what I like about this shoe is the multi-heart and the color, and also the detailing on the back. I love like that's the go. And then on top of that, I do like a lot of what is it called, platform shoes. So yeah, I like this right here. I do like it a lot. It's kind of like a platform, and then on the back you don't have like your usual Converse logo. It's kind of like detailed in with the sole of the shoe. So I do like that. So yeah, that's what I like about this shoe, is that the heart around it. Usually your Converse, your usual Comme des Garçons Converse has like the big heart on it. And what I like about these is that it has like the hearts going all around the shoe. So that's what I like about this shoe. And here's the other one. And I already laced them up kind of to my liking. So yeah. So I do like the back of the shoe. Then the sides, and then when you turn them around. So yeah, I do like those hearts going around the shoe. So yeah, These are the shoes. I'm loving this. I am going to do like a try on for y'all. So let's get to the try on. Shoes on feet. They say they're a khaki, but they're kind of like a olive green. I forgot to tell y'all that. So that is all for this video. If you want more videos like this, spam my comments down below with different stores that you would like for me to review on, or you can DM me on Instagram at herhighlights_. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for stepping into the Glam Lobby, and I will see y'all in the next video.